Hello everyone, today we massage, we use the evening care for set and absolute set, and one more is the spirulina powder. We made together with the tea of mass. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so the toner we have to put this. And then this is number 1. Number 2 is the ampoule. Cool. Like this. This is the number 2. I think your skin when you use the absolute set, 1 month become very young. Yeah. Now it's 49, right? I don't know. How old are you? It's left already.
49.
Hey, 49 guys and I'm
Going to be 50. July 10.
See, can you believe the skin? How use the 24 gold or 24 gold mask and the night cream, right? And use the foam cleanser and deep cleanser. But now we have to use the absolute set for her skin, and then we have to use the.
What about our mask?
Huh? It's not mask. It's nutrition cream. It's number 5. How you feeling?
Very nice.
Me too.
So now she's glowing.
When we use the absolute set, we have to use more. When you use little bit, no good. More is finish, fast to finish. When we buy, we can get more the PV. And baby is the skin
Better
is
for
very
skin
nice.
also.
Very nice.
Tell that to Sidion also. Sidion, you're listening? Put lots, okay? Don't put little on your face, huh?
More PV, more earning.
More PB, yeah.
Become
More
young.
you use. More PB, more younger.
You see,
More prettier.
And this is the tea of mask with the spirulina. Okay.
Okay, that's spirulina powder, nah?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh.
So she makes the mask without bill of mask, evening care set, bill of mask, and our newly launched Atomy Spirulina Powder.
You stay one. You cannot move everything. Okay?
Oh, today she will glow. Her husband won't recognize her.
When we use the tea of mask with the spirulina, skin is very very good.
The smell is very nice.
Huh?
Master.
Oh. Okay, then make video clicker, right? Huh? Call new diet. Take care.
Tomorrow I will be in our office, maybe after lunch. Only 10 o'clock. Okay, that is you will bring some people here. I think it's ready.
Yes. What time? Well,
You think so?
we will research tomorrow. Okay. If they will come early, you will care. If 1 or 2 people, if more people, we will call.
When we use the tea of mask, little bit use not good like this. Okay. You see?
New balance.
Open your hand. If one tea of mask, can do 5 times?
One bill of mask you use how many times?
5 and 6 times.
Oh.
Put more. Wow, become change green color. Oh my god. Okay, now finish.
Very nice. So this is the final looks. Atomy Spirulina Powder. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
With
Our
cleaning
Star
mask.
Master. Ali. Yes. Very good demo from our Star Master. So
Wow.
evening care set demo and absolute set demo done, right?
Yes.
With spirulina.
With our newly launched product, Spirulina Powder. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Atomy, are you liking it? Okay. Thank you.
ឥឡូវយើងកំពុងតែ
She's
open
gonna remove the bill of mask.
wow this
Ladies, there in city when you get jealous, okay? Please don't be jealous. Who told you not to come?
wow you see the skin oh my god
Ajun
Ten.
Joy's husband will not recognize today. The skin is glowing. So, wow! Oh my god.
wow
See? Immediate, no?
Yeah.
wow
This is wow, yeah?
Looks very smooth and bright
Yes.
And
it's glowing.
white.
you go to see
Like Korean, not like Manipuri anymore. Not like Manipur.